Now, for more tips on paying down debt and saving at the same time, we're joined by financial expert Lynn Richardson, author of Get Your Money Back, Tax Deductions You Never Knew About. Lynn, thank you so much for joining us. And there are so many people who are struggling with debt right now. You have 3 tips to help people get their financial house in order. We're going to start with your 10-10-30-50 rule. What is that?
Well, the first thing I say to everyone is to not beat up on yourself. And remember that everybody has either had a money problem, is having a money problem, or will have a money problem at some time in the future. So get in the game and decide to win. The first 10% of every dollar you get, you tithe, donate, or give. Maybe that's for the holidays, or maybe that's for your church or for other personal reasons. The next 10% you save. You save for a rainy day, you save for retirement, you save for that emergency fund. The next 30% is cash on a separate debit card for incidentals like groceries, gas, hair, nails. If it doesn't fit, get rid of it.
If it doesn't fit, get rid of it.
And the remaining 50% stays in your checking account for your bills. If there's not enough money for your bills, then you have to subtract. You may have to get a cheaper car, a cheaper house. You may have to take that kid out of private school tuition. So that's how you take a look at that.
And what about those people who are following the 10-10-30-50 rule, but they're still struggling to pay bills?
Well, if you're still struggling, then you have to go to the next step. The first one is about spending less money. Now it's about getting more money and getting your money back. Speak to your creditors. There is no shame right now. So call your creditors, tell them what your situation is. Ask for a payment plan, a forbearance, a temporary suspension of payments. Look for other ways to get COVID relief. We're still in the middle of a pandemic. And then finally, run your home like a business. Why? Because there are hundreds of tax deductions. When you use your cell phone for personal reasons, you don't get your money back. When you use it for business, you do. Those kids, we love our kids. When they run around the house eating your food, you don't get your money back. But if you hire them in your home-based business, you do. So you want to run your home like a business.
Well, my kids just got a job.
Yes.
And we don't holidays are coming up. Money is tight. So you say people should get a Santa side hustle. What is the Santa side hustle?
Well, let me just start with this. 'Twas the day after Christmas, and all through the house, every creature was strapped, even the mouse. The toys were all broken, their batteries were dead, and Santa passed out with ice on his head. We don't want that to be us, right? So we want to use our profession. If you are a nurse, then maybe you want to do some home health care. If you're a teacher, then you want to tutor. So you want to take what you do and turn it into a business. You also want to look for a part-time job. You want to get more work in the field that you're in, and then you can also look for seasonal employment. So you have to spend less money, you have to get more money, and you have to get your money back. And we can all do this together.
Yes, we can. Lynn Richardson, thank you so much. Appreciate you.